The average score of 20 boys, N1 is equal to 20 and X1 bar is equal to 60%, and the average score of 30 girls, N2 is equal to 30, X2 bar is 70%. The age of the 10th boy is considered as Y. Then it is given sum of the ages of 9 boys is equal to 52. Just subtract it, that's it. T1 is equal to X by 20, T2 is equal to X divided by 20. Therefore, the average speed is equal to total distance travelled divided by the total time taken. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed some important simple problems on averages. Today I'll take a second concept in this averages, that is regarding weighted average. Weighted average. What is this weighted average? If all the quantities are not of equal weightage or importance, in such cases, it is appropriate to complete a weighted average of the value in the data set. Here, suppose if all the quantities are not of equal weightage or importance, in such a cases, it is appropriate to complete a weighted average. So, we are going to complete by taking a weighted average of the value in the given set of values. Suppose, let us consider if x1, x2, x3, etc., xn represent the values of n quantities. If x1, x2, x3, etc., xn represent the values of n quantities, then w1, w2, w3, etc., wn represents the weight assigned to n values respectively. If x1, x2, x3 are represent the values of n quantities, w1, w2, w3 are represent the weighted assignment of all these n values, then the average x bar is given by just multiply it. That is x1 w1 plus x2 w2 plus x3 w3 etc. xn wn divided by total number of weightage, that is w1 plus w2 w3 etc. wns. This is the formula which we are going to use to solve the problems on the weighted average. The weighted average is given by x1 w1 plus x2 w2 plus x3 w3 etc. xn wn divided by sum of all weighted assigned values, that is w1 plus w2 etc. wn. Now, let us by knowing this move on to a simple problem. Now, let us take an example. Ramesh has 4 Kannada, 5 English, 6 maths books. Each Kannada book will cost rupees 850 and English will cost rupees 1050 and maths 15 rupees. Find the average cost per book of all 3 subjects. So, what is the cost? He has how many Kannada books? So, Kannada books, 4 books, right? And then English, how many English book he has? So, English book is equal to how many books? He has 5 books. Then 6 maths books, 6 books, right? 6 maths books. So, what is the cost of each Kannada book? The cost of each Kannada book is rupees 850. Then cost of an English book is rupees 1050. Then similarly, the cost of mathematics books is rupees 15. So, these are the quantities given, right? Now, therefore, the average cost of the book, what is the average cost? Average cost of book, that is nothing but total cost of all the books. Total cost of all the books divided by total number of books. So, this can be written as this is equal to, so 4 into 8.50 plus 5 into 10.50 plus 6 into 15 divided by total number of books. Number of books are 4 plus 5 plus 6. Simplify this, that's it, okay. So, this is equal to 34. 4 into 8.50 is equal to 34. Again, 5 into 10.50 is 52.9, 52.5 plus 15 into 9, 15 into 6 is 90 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 5, that's equal to 15. This is equal to, simplify this, 176.5 divided by 15. What is 176.5 divided by 15? This is equal to 11.76. So 176.5 divided by 15 is equal to 11. So the average cost of a book, is rupees 11.76. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problems in weighted averages. Now move on to the next same type problem. 5 kg of sugar at the rate of 15 per kg, 8 kg of wheat at rupees 22 per kg and 7 kg of rice at rupees 35 per kg and 4 kg of dal at rupees 75 per kg. What is the average price per kg of all the commodities? Same type. Here what is given? 5 kg of sugar. So sugar, how many kgs? 5 kg. 5 kg of sugar. Then at the rate of this, 8 kg of wheat. Wheat is equal to 8 kg. And again 7 kg of rice. Rice is 7 kg. And then dal, how many kgs? 4 kg of dal. So what is the cost given? The cost given is, so what is the weight here? The cost of sugar is given. 5 kg of sugar at the rate of 15 per kg. 15 per kg. Then, and the weight of wheat is rupees 22 per kg. And the rice at rupees 35 per kg. And then dal at rupees 85 per kg. This is given, right? Now what is required to find? What is the average price per kg of all the commodities? Average price is equal to, average price per kg is equal to, just multiply it, that's it. 5 into 15 plus 8 into 22 plus 7 into 35 plus 4 into 85 all divided by total weight of the commodity, that is 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4. That's it. So that's equal to, just simplify. Now what is this equal to? This is equal to 15 into 5 is 75 plus 22 into 8 is 176, 35 into 7 is 245 plus 85 into 4 is 340 whole divided by, add this. If you add, how much you will get? 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 24. Now what is this equal to? Add this. In the numerator, what you are going to get? It is 836 divided by 24. 836 divided by 24. Divide it. That's equal to 34.83. So therefore, the average price per kg of all the commodities how much? Rupees 34.83 is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Right. Now move on to the next concept. The third one is combined averages. This is very important concept. The combined averages. This is very similar to the weighted average. And here it is computed when the data set consists of different group and for each group of an average has already been computed. So this is same as that of the previous one, but here what happens, the data set consists of different groups. The data set consists of different groups and for each group an average has already been computed. So for each group the average has been already computed. Now let us consider, for example, if x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, etc. averages of number of variables n1, n2, n3, then the combined average of all these group is given by x bar 1, 2, 3 is given by x1 bar n1 plus x2 bar n2 plus x3 bar n3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Right. This is the formula which we are going to use in case of a combined averages. Now move on to a simple problem. What is the problem given? The average weight of 12 girls already given. The average weight is given. The average weight of 12 girls in a class is 4 feet and the average height, here it is average height. The average height of 12 girls in a class is 4 feet and the average height of 8 boys is 5 feet. Find the combined average height of both girls and the boys. So, what is the average height of 12 girls in a class is 4 feet and the average height of 8 boys in a class is 5 feet. Find the combined average height of boys and girls. Okay. Now, the average height of 12 girls. See, x1 bar is equal to 4, n1 is equal to 12 girls. So, here for 12 girls average is 4, for 8 boys average is 5. So, how many boys are there? n2 is equal to 8 and the average x2 bar is equal to 5. That is it. This is the given concept. x1 bar is 4, n1 is equal to 12, x2 is equal to 5, n2 is equal to 8. Now, what is the formula? The combined average height. Therefore, the combined average height is equal to x1 bar n1 plus x2 bar n2 divided by n1 plus n2. That's it. Simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. Now, what is this equal to? x1 is 4 into 12 plus x2 is equal to 5 into 8 divided by n1 plus n2, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 8. Now, let us multiply this. So, 12 into 8 is 12 8s are 48 plus 5 8s are 40 divided by 12 plus 8 is 20. This is 88 divided by 20. So, 88 divided by 20 is equal to, the required answer is 4.4. So, 4.4. That means the combined average height of the girls and boys is found to be 4.4. This is the required answer. That's it. Right. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Now, let's move on to the next problem. The average age of 7 members of a family is 18 years. If the head of the family is excluded, the average age of the rest of the members would fall to 13 years. What is the average age of the head of the family? Now, the average age of 7 members of the family is 18 years. So, for 7 members of the family, average age is equal to 18 years. So, therefore, including head of the family, the total age is equal to 18 years into 17, that's equal to 126 years. 18 into 7 is 126 years. Now, second case, if the head of the family is excluded, then the average age of the rest of the family would be 13 years. So, now without head of the family, the average age is equal to, how many members are there? Then 13 years is the average age without head of the family. So, 7 minus 1, that's equal to 6 members. So, 13 into 6 will give the average age of all the members without the head of the family, right? So, that's equal to 78 years. Now, what is required to find? Therefore, the age of the head of the family is just subtract, the difference will give the age, that's it, okay. Now, therefore, the age of the head of the family is equal to 126 minus 78, that's equal to 48 years. So, the age of the head of the family is 48 years, that's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Very simple problem indeed. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Now, what is the problem given here? The average age of 10 students. The average age of 10 students is 6 years. The sum of the ages of 9 students of them is 52 years. So, the average age of 10 students is 6 years. The sum of the ages of 9 of them is 52 years. Find the age of the 10th student. So, we have to find the age of the 10th student. Now, let us consider that the sum of the ages of 10 students, the sum of ages of 10 students is equal to x. The number of students, how many students are there? Number of students is equal to 10. So the sum of the ages of 10 students is x and the number of students is equal to 10, right? Now therefore what is the average age? Now therefore the average age is equal to x by 10, but it is given the average age of 10 students is 6 years, the sum of the ages of 9 of them, so average age is given, that is 6 years is equal to x by 10, therefore 6 into 10 is equal to x is equal to 60, here x is equal to 60, right? So here 60 is the thing, but the sum of the ages of all the boys, sum of ages of all boys, right? Now what is the second condition given? Second condition is the sum of ages of 9 boys, sum of ages of 9 boys is equal to how many years? 52 years. This is the second condition given. The sum of the ages of 9 boys is equal to 52 years, right? Now what is to find the age of 10th student? The age of 10th student, is equal to, let us consider it as y. The age of 10th student is equal to y, right? Now what is given? The sum of ages of 9 boys is equal to 52. Given sum of ages of 9 boys is equal to 52 years, right? So this is equal to 52 is equal to x minus y. Now substitute the value, that is 52 is equal to, what is x? X is equal to 60 minus y. Transfer this, y is equal to 60 minus 52, that's equal to 8. That's it, okay? Now therefore the age of 10th student is equal to, therefore the age of the 10th student is equal to 8 years. That's it, very simple. Here the sum of age is equal to x, number of students are 10, the average is equal to x by 10. Since it is given average age of 10 students is 6 is equal to x by 10, 60 is equal to x. Since the average age of 9 boys is 52 years, so the age of the 10th boy is considered it as y, then it is given sum of the ages of 9 boys is equal to 52. Just subtract it, that's it. So then 52 is equal to x minus y, or 52 is equal to 60 minus y, or y is equal to 60 minus 52. Straight away if you just subtract 52 from 60, you will get 8. 8 is the required answer. So that means the age of the 10th student is 8 years. That's it, okay? Now move on to the next problem. What is the problem? The average age of 12 boys. The average age of 12 boys is 8 years. Another boy 21 years. Join the group. Find the average age of the new group. So the average age of 12 boys is 18 years. Already for 12 years the average age is 8. Another boy of age 21 joins the group. Then the average age of the new group, the average age is going to change. So we have to find what is the average age of the new group. Very simple problem, an important problem. Now what is given? The average age of 12 boys. What is given? Given that average age of 12 boys is equal to 8 years. Average age of 12 boys is 8 years, right? Now what is the mean? We know that mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations, right? That is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Now what is given? Yes, average age of 12 boys is 8. That is mean is equal to 8. Number of observations are 12 and the number of boys are also 12. This is equal to sum of ages of 12 boys divided by the number of observations is 12. So therefore sum of ages of 12 boys is equal to 8 into 12. That's equal to 96. Now next condition, what is given? Another boy of 21 years joins the group. Another boy of 21 years joins the group, new group, then the number of boys will be 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 boys. The number of boys in the group is 13. Another boy of age group 21 joins. So therefore the number of boys in the group is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 boys, right? Now the sum of ages of 13 boys, therefore sum of ages of 13 boys is equal to, this is 96 plus, what is the age? 21 year. That's equal to 96 plus 27, 21 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7, again 9 plus 2 is 10, 11, that's equal to 117 years, right? So therefore the mean of the new group is just, now therefore the mean of the new group is 117 divided by 13, that's it, okay. 117 divided by 13 is equal to 9. So therefore the mean of the 9 group is 9 is the mean of the new group. Now move on to the next problem. What is the problem? The average score of 20 boys is 60% and the average score of 30 girls is 70%. Find the combined average score. This is very simple problem. The average score of how many boys? 20 boys is how much? X1 bar is equal to 60%. Similarly, the average score of 30 girls, that is N2 is equal to 30, average is X2 bar is equal to 70%. This is the given condition. See here, the average score of 20 boys, N1 is equal to 20 and X1 bar is equal to 60%, and the average score of 30 girls, N2 is equal to 30, X2 bar is 70%, right? Now we have to find the combined average score, that's it, okay. So therefore the combined average score, therefore combined average score is equal to, just multiplied 20 into 60% plus 30 into 70% divided by 20 plus 30, that's it. What is this equal to? Just simplify this. So if you simplify this, this is equal to 3300 divided by 50. 3300 divided by 50, that is 330 divided by 5. Okay, what is this equal to? So this is equal to 66. So therefore the combined average score is equal to 66%. That's it. Hope you followed. Just multiply N1 X1 plus N2 X2 divided by N1 plus N2 will give the value of the combined score. Now move on to the next problem. The average height of a group of people is 6 feet. The average height of a group of people is 6 feet. If 10 more people are added with an average height of 5 feet, find the average height of the group of people consisting of 60 people. What is given? N1 is equal to, the average height of group of people is 6 feet, 10 more people are added with an average height of 5 feet. Find the average height of group of people consisting of 60 people. Right. Now what is given here? N1 and N2 is given. Now let us take N2 as 10. 60 minus 10 is N1, that is nothing but 50. N1 is 50, N2 is equal to 10, right? What is X1 bar and X2 bar? Now here X1 bar is equal to 6 feet, that is 6, and X2 bar is equal to, what is the feet they are given? 5 feet. So X1 bar is 6 feet and X2 bar is equal to 5 feet. Now find out the mean, that's it. Then what is to find? Find the average height of the group. So therefore X bar is equal to N1 into X1 plus N2 into X2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. That's equal to 50 into 6 plus 10 into 5 divided by 50 plus 10, that is 60. What is this equal to? Simplify. This is 5 6 are 30, 300 plus 50 divided by 60. 350 divided by 60. That's it. What is this equal to? 5.833. So the average height of the group of people consisting of 60 people is 5.833. That's it. Okay. We followed. Okay. Move on to the next problem. Ram and Rahim went up hill at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour and both of them came tumbling down the same distance at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of both the rounds. This is very important type problem. Now let us consider let x is the distance travelled. Now let us consider let x is the distance, x is the distance, therefore the total distance is equal to x plus x, that's equal to 2x. Distance travelled is equal to 2x. Now we know the formula for speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken, distance travelled divided by time taken, or cross multiplied. Distance is equal to speed into time, speed into time taken. Okay, or if you want time alone, time can be written as time is equal to distance travelled by speed, distance by speed. Suppose if T1 and T2 are the time taken to went up and to come tumbling downward. So if T1 is the time taken to go up and to come down, then what we have? Then we have T1. What is the time taken? T1 is equal to x divided by 20 and T2 is equal to x divided by 30. This is the given condition, right? Now the average speed for the round trip, therefore the average speed is equal to average speed. What is speed? Speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken, total distance by total time, total distance divided by total time taken. What is total distance? Total distance travelled is equal to 2x divided by the total time taken is T1 plus T2, that is x by 20 plus x divided by 30. Take LCM and simplify, you'll get the answer. That's it. Okay. What is this equal to? 2x is 2x as it is in the numerator. In the denominator, let us take 30 into 2. 20 into 30, cross multiply. This is 30x plus 20x. What is this equal to? This can be written as, so I'll write here. So 2x divided by 50x, this goes to the numerator, 20 into 30 is 600 divided by 20 plus 30 is 50x. So x and x gets cancelled. So that is 1200 divided by 50. So this is equal to 24 kilometers. 24 kilometers per hour. So therefore, the average speed is equal to 21 kilometers per hour. That's it. Very simple C problem. So Ram and Rahim went up a hill at a speed. So while going, they will climb at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, and both of them came tumbling down the same distance at a speed of, while coming, they will travel a distance, the speed is 30 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed for both the rounds. So here total distance is x, let x is the distance, total distance for upwards and downwards is x plus x is 2x. So the speed, we know speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken, or distance is equal to speed into time, or time is equal to distance by speed. Interchange this. Right. Now let T1 and T2 are the time taken to go up and come down. T1 is equal to x by 20, T2 is equal to x divided by 20. Therefore, the average speed is equal to total distance travelled divided by the total time taken. Total distance is x plus x is 2x divided by total time taken is T1 by 20 plus T2 by 20. Take LCM. So 2x in the numerator is same, 30 into 2. Take LCM, 20 into 30. So in the numerator, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50x. 2x divided by 50x, 20 into 3 600 goes to the numerator, x and x gets cancelled. 1200 by 550 or 120 by 5, that's equal to 24 kilometers per hour. So the average speed for the round trip is equal to 24 kilometers per hour. Don't take the average speeds as 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 50 by 2 is 25. 25 is wrong. Actually, the answer is 24 kilometers per hour. That's it. So this is how we are going to solve the problem using the concept of a combined averages. So these are few problems. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.